They were taking a look at some Domesky speakers. Now these were slightly more expensive than the ones I unboxed in the previous video, but if I can find the proof of receipt, proof of purchase I meant. So this was $17.50 because this original price was 35 renminbi and it was a 50% discount, so $17.50 renminbi. Again, it doesn't have a name to it like that one, so I'm just gonna call it Domesky Speakers. There are definitely more that are stated. Rich bass. Down here it has some description. It again doesn't tick about what color this actually is. Again, you guys can read whatever you guys want to read. Speakers itself have some randomly stuck tape on it, which I'm just gonna leave on, I guess. But again, USB and 3.5mm audio jack. Thanks for watching this quick unboxing of this Domesky speakers.